for the marine things, that really took off just from a single subject during my uni studies with the zoology bachelor's, where a class went up to Queensland for a field trip just for a week to learn and see how marine science was conducted, from snorkeling out on the Great Barrier Reef, doing coral surveys, counting fishes, very, very baseline things, but it was that type of practical and field experience that really honed it in for me. Just seeing that glimpse of what ocean life was enough for me to see the scope of what marine life is. And again, it got me back to that point of, oh, I really just I want to know more. I want to know how all of these things work.
And that, my friends, is why John is the perfect ambassador for Life Rocks. And the whole concept of ambassador really has come about through understanding that when these people tend to follow their curiosity, they tend to learn a lot of awesome stuff about nature that they want to share with others. And John is definitely a living example of that. And maybe without those encyclopedias that the parents had left there as a point of curiosity, this path may have never begun. Maybe if John's family wasn't a type of family that allowed curiosity to be explored, this path wouldn't have come about.